Hi, my name is Ryan Daughter, and this is my story. In February of 1996, I was charged with rape. So I engaged Victoria Legal Aid to represent me. I received the following advice.
Sir, you don't have a defense to the charge. If you plead guilty during committal proceedings, you will receive a suspended sentence. If you don't plead guilty at committal, but if you contest the charge at trial and are found guilty, you will receive a custodial penalty.
Based on that advice, at the committal proceedings, I pleaded guilty. On arraignment, however, I changed my plea to not guilty, and stood trial before the County Court of Victoria. My guilty plea, led at committal, was led in evidence, and I was found guilty. I was sentenced to 3 years of imprisonment. But I was innocent. So I applied to the Court of Appeal of Victoria for leave to appeal against my conviction. On the grounds that the judge had misdirected the jury as to the guilty plea, my conviction was quashed, and a new trial was ordered. At the new trial, the judge decided to reject the evidence of the guilty plea. His Honour acknowledged that it had been entered as a result of considerable pressure from my lawyers. Without the guilty plea in evidence, I was acquitted. But my lawyers had been negligent in conducting my trial, and this negligence caused me to spend 3 years in jail. So I decided to bring an action in negligence against Victoria Legal Aid and the barrister, because they exposed me to undue pressure and influence to induce me to plead guilty. They also didn't warn me that if I pleaded guilty and subsequently reversed the plea, it could be relied on by the prosecutor as an admission of guilt. In 2005, my case reached the High Court of Australia. But I was unsuccessful in my negligence claim against Victoria Legal Aid. The majority held that the lawyers were immune from negligence claims arising out of work, intimately connected with the court proceedings. It was only Justice Kirby who held that this immunity was unfair. I agree with him. What do you think?